Hi, I'm Dennis Lewis from ratio.dev, and in this video I want to show you how to incorporate custom JSON schema elements into your bubble pages. So let's jump in and get started. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your plugin section of your bubble application, and you're going to install a plugin called Structured Data for SEO JSON-LD. And you just install this into your application, and then you're going to go to the page where you want to include the custom schema information. And so here I am. I'm on a page here it's just called A, and it is for articles. And I'm going to click on the design here, and you can see that I have just in a little hidden spot, it's just 1 pixel by 1 pixel is what I've set the layout to be. So it doesn't really occupy space on the page. And I have installed in this one the article schema. So basically what this does is I can associate it to the data type in my bubble database, which in this case is article. I give it the headline, the publish date, the date that it was last modified, and the share image for this article. You could give it more images if you want, and then the author's name and any link that's for the author's page on the site. In this case there is. If there were a job title, I could include that in there as well, and then I can put in the name and the URL of the publisher. And what this will do is, and you can see these are dynamic, so they're being pulled from my bubble database. And what this does is that it just includes this schema in well-formatted JSON into the page metadata of this page on my bubble application. And the plugin comes with several different ones. So you can have an organization, which is you should probably put in your header, which is just where you can put the company name and the logo. There's one for FAQs, for breadcrumbs, product pages, for videos, and that just all of this information that you put into your pages will allow the crawlers to better understand what your page is about, and it will also help you. Google and other search engines can use this formatted structured data for the search engine results that are better formatted. So they're good for your SEO, really simple to set up, and I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one.